Everybody listen to Darren Carter. We all know he's the party starter. So if you want to listen to a podcast for free, then listen to the Pocket Party.
Everybody listen to Darren Carter. Yeah. We all know he's the party starter. So if you want to listen to a podcast...
St. Clair National correspondent Christine Frizzell digs deeper into how new delays in testing results are making things worser. And my apologies for having said the word worser. I realize that is not a word. I misspoke. My apologies. Let's keep moving on.
It's July and we still celebrating Christmas. We ain't letting it go. The party starter. See, this is why people love Panda Express. Good vibes are coming your way. A sudden reward will follow your next act of kindness. And this is from some random Chinese restaurant. Forget all that wishful thinking and be practical. Good luck playing those numbers, asshole. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going for walks. I carry this 20-pound pipe. Very heavy, and I like it because when I swing, you're getting a shoulder workout every step. By the way, when my son saw this, he goes, "Is that thing from Star Wars?" I don't know what that thing is, but I've only seen one Star Wars movie. Can you believe it? Go look. So left arm, right arm, and then occasionally I'll just carry it. They call it the farmer's carry. Look into it, farmer's carry. You carry just something on one side, your core evens it out, then you switch sides. Occasionally you throw in the bicep, little tricep, and just walk. Walk carrying something heavy. Hello from the farm. Oh, this smells good. Got some chicken here. Gonna go on a nice little picnic. Go for a little walk. Come with me. So you know me, I like to walk with this axe handle. And I realized, like, why am I carrying the chicken in one hand, axe handle in the other? If I put it on the edge, look at that. More resistance. Yeah, that's quite a workout. Look at that. Nice chicken at the end of the stick. Ooh, that's heavy. Maybe I'll put it back there. It's actually pretty easy when it's over your shoulder like this. Where it's more difficult is holding it straight out. Ooh, I don't think I'm gonna do that too long. Maybe if I'm not filming, I could do it like Conan, you know? Oh yeah, is that a sword? No, it's some chicken from Smart and Final. Oh man, that's actually a good workout. Who would think that in this day and age, chicken on the end of a stick walking through a field would be a good workout? But it is. Ah. Who wants to train with me? You really feel it.
Guys, hope you're having a great day. It's Austin Carter, my son. On YouTube, find him Os the Bass Boss, also known as Little Jack White.
definition of being an old me back. They're gonna rip them off and taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night so I can't forget